Gentlemen, to Wellington, Ohio. Crossroads of America. You can go anywhere in the United States from Wellington, Ohio. And also, welcome to all of our fans that are live streaming through the NTPA live stream program. Thanks, everybody. Welcome. It's about 75 degrees here. There's a few clouds in the sky. A nice breeze coming out of the northeast tonight. And all you fans that are home or wherever you're at with NTPA live streaming, welcome to Wellington, Ohio. 5 Grand National classes tonight. Our event manager, Mr. Jim Miller. Our tech officials, Mr. Tom Jackson and Mark Geiser. Randy Geiser, Larry Blake, Dennis Long as well. And the interim is Linda Geiser. My lovely wife, Miss Judy, right here beside me. I'm your announcer, Denver Getchie. And of course, all of our track crew inside and outside that you see and you don't see, thank you very much. Also, Melissa Graham, thank you very much. I know you're kind of on the inside tonight, but thanks so much for all you do. And of course, thanks everybody. Thanks Fred Pitts and all the crew here in Wellington, Ohio. Well, we're ready to go down to the track, fans. Our first puller up is John Silsby with a crop doctor coming to us out of Union City, Michigan. He's the owner of the Dove Ag Services, a large ag service up there, and this is a 75i8 1066. Now, 640 cubic inches is what these super farms can weigh. And folks, you are in the Grand National Circuit here tonight in Wellington, Ohio. Our first puller of the night. Here we go. John Silsby and the Crop Doctor. That we get it right as we go along. Don't forget the Dave IH banner giveaway tonight, signed by Dave Williams, my last 6 Super Barn, 3-time Bowling Green winner, including last Saturday, of course. And you can sign up at the NTPA merchant stand right on the finish side, right over there, over by the grandstands, okay? And we'll draw that about 9 o'clock, and so we'll talk about that a little more. But if you want to win a Dave IH banner right over there at the NTPA Merchandise Mall, you'll go. All right. John's going to turn that pole down, and he will turn that pole down. The crop doctor, John Silsby, out of Union City, Michigan, turns that pole down. And oh yeah, if your company wants to scribble this down, give it up for him, if you will, fans hammering Hank right there, getting a good run, Hammering Hank right now running first in the point. Running first in the points right now at 257 points. Absolutely nuts. The Ferris tractor is in second place in the points. And yes, of course, the points do matter. It is that time of year. It is absolutely that time of year. Once again, beautiful night right out here in Wellington, Ohio. We've got a lot of sponsors to thank, a lot of people to walk through tonight as we get going. Dan Ward with a hammer and hand tractor at 321 and 8. 321 and 8. Now, fans here on the stands tonight and at home as well, we're working on a 350-foot track, a 350-foot track. So that means that if anybody goes out past that 350, we have 2 or more that go out past 350 feet, we might have a pull-off. You doggone bet you we will. All right, let's talk a little bit about this Super Farm class for some of you younger fans and some of you fans that have just tuned in. It's the 640 cubic inch displacement class, okay? You have no overhead cams, you have OEM intake and exhaust manifold, no intercoolers or aftercoolers allowed, and they get a 3-inch turbo in and out. 3-inch turbo in and out, no map room. Now, of course, fans, you can see these tractors run on diesel, and they have a P-type fuel injection pump. All right, so a few fun facts about these tractors. We'll give you 2 more as we walk through the class. And once again, Hammer and Hank at 321 and 8. 321 and 8, setting the bar pretty high right there, excuse me. Well, these guys aren't done. After tonight, they go to Sandwich, Illinois for 2 different events there in Sandwich, Illinois. So they are not done, these Grand National Super Farms. They're still trucking on throughout the summer. The Night Rider on the track right now, Robert Pryor, out of Long Settlement, New Brunswick. I-8 1466. Here we go. Nice run, all the drivers so far running down that right side of the track. And it's got to be something everybody sees about that. But maybe I don't see it right here from the tower. But I will tell you this much, fans. At one point, hopefully in the Super Fun class, that you'll see it, and fans at home will be able to see it as well. Somebody's going to crack the left side of that track open. They're going to crack the right side of that track open. Now, they're doing really well tonight on that right-hand side, but we'll see how they do once they somebody crack that left-hand side. Track boss on the track tonight, our sled, Josh Morgan in the wheel tonight. Thank you, Josh, for everything you do for the NTPA. Also, a great big shout-out to L.A. L.A., it's good to see you. Didn't get to talk to you, but very, very good to see you. The Night Rider coming in at 321.265. Wow. 321.855. Hammer and Hank. And the Night Rider at 321.265. Fans, there is just the tip of the iceberg. Competition is going to be fierce here tonight in Wellington, Ohio. All right. Absolutely Nuts is our next tractor. Now, we're not talking about the driver, but we might be. I don't know. We could be talking about the driver, too. You maybe have to be nuts to drive a Super Farm. No, I think more than the mini rod category. Wouldn't you, fans? Oh, and by the way, they're going to be here. That's our next class here at Wellington, Ohio, in this Grand National event. The mini rods are here. That's going to be good. That is going to be good. All right, let's go to the track. Brady Ferris out of Addison, Michigan, running second in the points right now. He's 14-1 behind Hammer and Hank for that 98 Case IH. This is a 72-20. A 72-20 Case IH right there. Beautiful, beautiful tractors. Big thank you to all of our sponsors here tonight. Of course, we've got a lot of great sponsors from the NTPA, but we'd like to especially thank Steve and Courtney Ordner, Absolute Machine, and the Smith Brothers for supplying the meal for the pours and crew. Thank you so very, very much down there at the hospitality tent. It was absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. As our track officials go to green on the track, green on the sled, we're ready to go pouring, fans. Absolutely Nuts. Brady Ferris from Addison, Michigan. slide just a little bit more to the left. And so you're going to hook. As you fans can see, our man at the end of the track has absolute control over the track at that moment as soon as he stops. And the track off goes back to grab another one. And here we go. The distance for Mr. Brady Ferris, 3:15 and 5.6. 3:15.56. If you're counting right there, that should put him in third place, I would believe, right now. Right around third place. Dirt track, you're up next. Russ Freeze bringing our first John Deere to the track here tonight in Wilmington, Ohio. A mixture of red and green in this class. I don't know what is your favorite. And anybody asks me, Denver, what's your favorite class? You know, I really don't know what my favorite class is because there's not a class of tractors that I don't like. There's not a color that I don't like of tractors. So I guess I'm kind of a tractor nut. Or just a nut. Maybe that's it. Here we go. Russ Freeze coming out to the sled right there. Getting ready to hook on. He comes to us from Manchester, Tennessee. Manchester, Tennessee. Yeah, beautiful country down there in this neck of the woods. And we're glad to have him here. Russ runs that 76 John Deere. This is a 4430 on the track right now. Of course, 640 cubic inch, 9,300 pounds is what these tractors weigh. 9,300 pounds. So, one of the heavier classes, not the heaviest class, but one of the heavier classes in the NTPA. Now, think about this, folks. We're going from 9,300 pounds clear down to 2,050 pounds in our next class. You won't want to go anywhere till you see tonight's event. Let's go to the track. Rush through the track. And a nice ride by Rush. John Deere fans, it's all right to get loud and proud. In fact, we absolutely love it when you folks get loud and proud here tonight. Stand up to your favorite truck and tractor, your favorite brand, your favorite color. Stand up and be counted. Wave them down the track. Encourage your pullers tonight, fans. They are here for you. And of course, you fans right in front of the grandstand. What a double dip. What a double dip. That's like a dollar ice cream that's 2 foot tall, isn't it? And you get to see all these great tractors coming back across the line. Well, Russ Freeze with the good tractor, 3:13 and 6, 3:13 and 6, puts him in fourth place right now. Fourth place right now. There goes the absolutely nuts tractor in front of the grandstand. Fans, give it up for him if you will. Beautiful piece of equipment. Hey, talking about equipment, let's take the opportunity to thank some of our sponsors here tonight. Absolutely nuts right here. We had absolutely nuts on the track, and now this is the assorted nuts. Excuse me, I'm the other way around. I'm sorry about that. Assorted nuts. I told you maybe I was nuts. Of course, one's Brady's players. Of course, Brady run the absolutely nuts tractor that ran in at 3:15 and 5. This now is Brook Ferris with the assorted nuts tractor, huh? Now, do you know what these guys do for a living? They're a milk transportation company. Assorted nuts, Brook Ferris out of Addison, Michigan, right there. As the NTPA officials once again take control of the track. And he comes in at 317.65, 317.65. Well, I had to put him up in the placing field just a little bit. As Miss Judy writes it down and is going to hand him to me here just 1 second. I'm guessing somewhere between 3rd and 4th place somewhere. And she's right. 3rd place it is. 3rd place it is. So, here we go. Here's our top 5 right now. Hammer and Hank out front at 321.855. He took that pull. The night. Running 4th in the points so far. Now these points are standing through Hudsonville, Michigan. Of course, remember, they're going to go to Sandwich, Illinois twice yet this year to make those final runs on those super farms. Now, what do you do in the off-season? Well, you tear it apart. Fix what you got to fix, improve what you got to improve, put her back together, and get ready to roll for next year. Now, is it all done over the winter time? Oh, yeah, about 3 weeks before they're ready to pull. Yeah, that's, you know, we all do that, don't we? All right, here we go. Black Hawk.